Mental health team helps people who have complex or serious mental health problems. Different mental health professionals work in mental health team. These professionals are from health and social care background. Treating the mental illness is a team approach. This team works to help individual to improve mental health. Mental health team consists of a psychiatrist, a psychiatric nurse, a clinical psychologist, a psychiatric social worker, and an occupational therapist, activity therapist, a pharmacist, and a dietitian, a counselor. Treatment of a mentally ill patient is a multidisciplinary approach. It provides services to mentally ill people. Few clients get help from the team as a whole or from just one or two professionals. A psychiatrist. A psychiatrist is a medical doctor who has specialized in mental health. They can diagnose mental illness, prescribe medications, and recommend treatments. He is responsible for admission and discharge of a client, psychopharmacology, administer ECT, electroconvulsive therapy, psychotherapy. These three comes under the treatment of mental illnesses. He acts like a leader in the mental health team, conducts frequently team meetings to have a coordination among themselves and to plan the treatments for mentally ill patients. And he is having some legal responsibilities. Psychiatrists have a variety of legal obligations to their patients. Psychiatrists are subject to malpractice, lawsuits if they negligently commit medical errors that harm their patients. A psychiatrist can also have a duty to warn and protect their parties from dangerous patients. Psychiatrists must obtain patients' consent for treatment and keep information related to the treatment highly confidential. Psychiatrists also monitor the effects of mental illness on other physical conditions such as problems with the heart or high blood pressure, and the effects of medicines on the body such as weight, blood sugar, blood pressure, sleep, and kidney or liver functioning. Next professional in this team is psychiatric nurse, who is a registered nurse with a specialized training. We call them as a psychiatric nurse. This person can work in a psychiatric wards. Psychiatric unit nurses are usually assigned a caseload of patients and provides direct care to their patients. They administer and monitor the medications and also assist in a physical and psychiatric treatment. They are the member of this health team, so frequently attends interdisciplinary team meeting and follows the instructions of a psychiatrist. And also they provide a health education to the patient and family members. They also provide individual counseling to the patients and families to help them understand the illness. And this psychiatric nurse evaluates the patient progress and records in the patient record. She also works with the counseling and maintains a therapeutic relationship with the patient as well as with the patient's family. In some states, psychiatric nurses are also licensed to prescribe and monitor medications, sometimes independently and some under the supervision of a medical doctors. Nurses also provide a case management services and serve as a patient advocates. Clinical psychologists must usually complete their masters in psychology or PhD in human psychology. In few states, they are licensing a psychologist if they have just MSc, and few states they are asking for a PhD in the psychology. Clinical psychologists do not prescribe any medications to treat the mental illnesses. Clinical psychologist is a mental health professionals with highly specialized training in the diagnosis and psychological treatment of mental, behavioral, and emotional illnesses. This psychologist won't prescribe medications, but they use psychological techniques such as cognitive behavioral therapy and psychoanalytical therapy in treating the client. They are accountable for psychological assessment and testing and individual, family, and marital therapies. A psychiatric social worker is a person who have a master's degree in social work or doctorate degree in social work or licensed to work as a psychiatric social worker. These professionals are trained to help people find solutions to a range of social problems that often accompanies with the mental illness. These social workers also conducts the assessments of a patients related to the social, emotional, interpersonal and socio-economic issues. These people work to enhance the patient and family communications with the medical team members to enable patients to be active partners in their own care. Main work of a social worker is collecting the information from a family regarding the patient. And another vital role they play is they will be playing a vital role in aftercare planning process, that means discharge process, to facilitate a careful transition back to family and community. This is a very important thing, placement of a patient in a community. Many of the mentally ill treated patients faces lot of stigma in the community and so many social issues they faces. This social worker will be helping to solve the social issues in the community. And also this social workers involved in a illness education. One of the mental illness therapy is group therapy. In this group therapy sessions, actively they participate, conducts the sessions and teaches the coping skills, and counseling therapies also conducts. And these people will also plan a social interventions to a patient at a social environment, means in the community they plan the social intervention techniques to help the mentally ill people. Occupational therapists are persons who have a consent training. They work as an occupational therapist in a psychiatric department. They are responsible for recreational, occupational activity programs. These people develop a leisure interest in a mentally ill people, trains in activities of daily living like hygiene and grooming, and also they facilitate development of skills needed for an individual to live independently, such as managing home and managing the time, managing medications, being safe at home and community. And also they assess their interest of an individual and trains in that skills so that they can have an occupation after treatment. Many of the mentally ill people, after the mental illness, they loses their occupation. This occupational therapists help in securing their occupations, and also they consult with the employer regarding the appropriate accommodation in the employment. Assist the patients in gaining the skills that helps to cope more effectively, and these people plays an important role in retaining the employment and uses their leisure times. In using the leisure time, these people help a mentally ill person. Next professional is a counselor. Counselor is a person who is having a master's degree in psychology, counseling or related field. In order to be licensed, the counselor should have this qualifications. A professional counselor also needs 2 additional years of experience working with the qualified mental health professionals. A mental health counselor is qualified to evaluate and treat the mental problems by providing the counseling or psychotherapists. These people provides the supportive counseling and assist the psychoeducational and recreational activities.